Welcome back to our exercise lessons. We're creating a bracket. We're going to pick up where we left off in our previous tutorial. Here I'll be creating the middle portion of the bracket. Let's begin by inserting a sketch on the front plane. Take a normal 2 view, and let's zoom out a bit. And just pan it over to the right. Let's display now with hidden lines visible. Now let's activate the line tool. I'll select this point, and this line will be approximately 300 millimeters. 50 millimeters here, and about 100 millimeters here, and 50 millimeters for these dimensions. And now a tangent arc. Right-click, select. Let's shift-select this point and apply a coincident relation. Line tool. And right-click and select. Now let's apply relations and dimensions. Let's shift-select these two lines and add an equal relation. Dimension them at 50 millimeters. .300 millimeters here. This line's going to be 100 millimeters. Okay. This distance, 25. And let's add one more equal relation between this line and this line. Equal. Okay, the sketch is still underdefined. We're missing a collinear relation here. Let's select this line and apply a collinear relation. Let's also convert both of these lines to construction geometry. Okay. Let's exit the sketch. Now activate the Extruded Boss Base tool. Let's select our sketch. Since we don't have a closed contour, the thin feature area activated automatically. The thickness, 10 millimeters. Extrusion depth, 20 millimeters. Let's accept. And let's return to Shaded with Edges view. Right-click, make the sketch visible. Activate the Extrude command. It's going to be a blind 20 millimeter extrusion. Thickness 10 millimeters. Okay. And last one. Same thing here. 20 millimeter extrusion. 10 millimeter thickness. And okay. Let's view with hidden lines visible. There's a reason for having created my extrusion from these 2 points here. If I'd started my sketches from here and from here, upon extrusion I'd end up with a zero thickness geometry. Let's create the inside rib now. We'll right-click on the front plane, select Insert Sketch, let's select Sketch 2, Convert Entities, and let's drop a few lines to close the contour. And last line here. Right-click and select. Now I'm going to use the Offset tool. 20 millimeters. Let's reverse the direction. Let's pin down the Offset Entities Property Manager and click OK. Select this line. Reverse the direction. 20 millimeter offset. OK. This line. Also 20 millimeters. OK. And lastly, this one. 20 millimeters, reverse direction, and OK. Let's close the Offset tool. Activate the Trim Entities tool. The method will be corner trim. Last corner here. OK, exit the sketch. Activate the Extruded Boss tool. Let's select our contours now. 10 millimeters in depth. Let's click OK. And let's return to Shaded with Edges display. Isometric view. And this concludes our second lesson on building the bracket.